How to turn articles into videos for free. The easiest way to create YouTube videos. Do you know that you can earn over $10,000 a month by just converting text to videos for free? Copying articles and paste them, then convert them into videos for free. The easiest way you can create YouTube videos. Work from home. Be your own boss. No experience required. No educational certificate required. Easy to learn. Stay on until the end so that you don't miss a thing. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share for more notifications. First, I'm to show you proof from people who are already doing this. Then I will show you how to do it for free. At the end of this tutorial, I have prepared a bonus package for you, a strategy that will help you make more money, even with 0 subscribers. Just stay on until the end so that you won't miss a thing. Let's go to socialblade.com. Take a look at this channel, Bestie, with over 505 million views. Estimated monthly earnings of between $5,400 and $86,200. Estimated yearly earnings of between $64,700 and $1 million. With over 21 million views for the last 30 days. This channel is getting hundreds of thousands per video. Let's go directly to the channel videos. This is a good example of text converted
from
into
heart
a
disease.
video.
We're talking all of that and more. Number 1. Lowers your blood pressure. The nutrients in cabbage will not only improve your blood pressure but lower your risk of heart disease altogether.
We get content for our video. Using this as an example, move to Google, search for "Can garlic improve your sex life?" Read through and choose the best article of your choice. I'm choosing this. Copy and paste the article into spinbot.com or any other spinning site of your choice. Spinbot is a free site. By spinning our article, we are rewriting the article, making it different from the original owner. So spin it twice or more to avoid copyright issues. Then copy and paste the article into Grammarly.com. For correction of grammar, Grammarly.com has free and paid options, so use the free option for the start. Then, move to nvideo.io. nvideo.io has both free and paid plans. However, you can use the free options. I'm leaving the site URL in the description box. So when you open nvideo.io, you will see pre-made templates, text to video, and blank canvas. So just click text to video. Move downwards to convert any text to an engaging video. Select a dimension to get started. So have wide, square, vertical. Select wide and scroll down to the different templates. Just select one of your choices. Select, use this template. So here, we have 3 options. Option 3, add your media files here. Option 2, add the URL of the article here. So with this, you just have to copy the URL of the article. Just copy and paste. However, I prefer the first option. Paste your article here. Cut the title and add it as the headline. Note, for the best experience, keep the script under 30 sentences, which will appear. Just click OK and move on. However, for instance, where it says under 50 or more, you have to rearrange your sentences again. so next will be highlighted. Then click next. Hey, that's too much text for one scene. Do you want us to rearrange it for you? Just click Rearrange Text. Wait for a few minutes for text to be converted into video. Read through and make some edit, like changing the videos. Click a video to search for a new video, or upload your videos from Pixabay or anywhere. However, always avoid copyrighted videos. Click Images to search for images. After that, move to the Advanced Editor to add the voiceovers. You can make your voiceover or make an automated text-to-speech. Click VoiceOver, then click Record VoiceOver or Automated Text-to-Speech. When you finish, then click Download and export the video to your computer. The bonus package I promised you. Affiliate marketing. Just go click bank.com. Sign up for an account. Fill in all the necessary requirements. Just arrange the terms and conditions. You don't need to read through. Log in and move to the marketplace. It looks like this. So since our video is about sex, so search for sex products. Sort results by gravity. Gravity is how many affiliates sold that product for last week. Chose a product with a high gravity because if other affiliates sold this product, you can also sell it. Also chose a product with a recurring or rebill. This means that if a customer buys a product, you earn a commission. Also again, whenever that same customer buys that product, you still earn a commission. That's recurring or rebill, so we are choosing this. Let's go to the page where our customers will land, so customers will see this. The hidden survival muscle in your body missed by modern physicians that keep millions of men and women defeated by pain, frustrated with belly fat, and struggling to feel energized. Boosts energy, increases sexual health, etc. Just go on and click Promote. Fill in your account nickname, then generate hop links. Go on and copy the generated hop links, then move to bit.ly.com to shorten this link. It's too long, which makes it look ugly. Copy and paste the link into bit.ly.com. Then shorten the link. bit.ly.com is free for use. So go on and upload the video onto your channel. Then fill in the required details. After that, add this link to the video description. Click here to increase your sexual health. So whenever someone clicks that link and buys, you earn $36. I'm saying that doing this once is enough. No, do this more and more. So after a time, you will earn even when you are sleeping. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Watch out for part 2 of this video, how to turn text into video. The easiest way to create a YouTube video. Part 2 is oncoming soon. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share for more notifications.